Hey friends, welcome back to Just a Little Homestead. If you're new here, my name is Wilma. Today we are going to be moving my hydroponic strawberries, or the strawberries that I'm growing in my hydroponic system. I think they were called Alexandria strawberries from in my gardener, if I remember correctly. But they are falling over now. They were nice and standing up just a couple days ago, and now they just don't want to stand up anymore. They're still alive, they're just so big they're falling over. So I need to move them. We're going to take them out. I have the pot ready outside. I'll show you that in a minute. And let's go ahead and move them. So I'm officially moving my strawberries from the hydroponic system into this, what is it, like a 10-gallon? I don't know. I got it at the Dollar Tree. I don't know how many gallons it is, but it's pretty big compared to that one. It's a good size. Okay, that one says 2.25. Okay, so this is definitely not a 10-gallon, maybe 4 or 5, but it's big enough compared to what the strawberries are in right now. But the strawberries are falling over in my hydroponic. They do not want to stay up anymore because they are so big. So I just added this in here, and we're gonna go get them and plant them so they can just fall out over this because they just don't want to stay up anymore. So let's go get them. So here it is. Now I showed you this on the last video. I think it was the potato video. They were standing upright and looking gorgeous, taking over everything. And now I have this little thing right here trying to hold this up, but it's not really helping. But it just wants to fall. It won't stay up. It was up the other day. And now, look at that. This thing is not really helping because it's still falling over. And it's falling all over my little mini-me cucumber. So I need to take her out. She had one little strawberry back here. I don't know if you can see that. I just saw it earlier today. I didn't even know that was there. It's kind of a deformed little strawberry, but it's there. That's the only one that I've seen. There's tons of flowers, tons of little flowers, but no other strawberries. So I'm really hoping that she survives the move outside. I'm going to keep her in the shade, keep her watered until she gets used to the sun, but I really hope she survives this. Let's get moving. Look at how beautiful. It's like a bouquet of strawberries. I'm trying to hold them all together so I can pull this out. Oh, this is going to be tough because I don't know. I don't know how big the roots are. Let me see if I can set this down somehow. Okay. See if that works better. All right. Now let's take her outside. Look at these roots. A big bouquet of strawberries. That looks so pretty. Okay, I have my daughter, Brittany, here. She is going to help me. She's going to hold that while I attempt to cut that little white thing off because I cannot plant it with that on there. So let's see. I can do this. I don't know if these are the ones that I used last time. I don't want to cut the roots. I need to get this thing off. Oh, see, that works. Can you hold this? There. Perfect. Okay. I think that's all of them. Okay. And then I have to find this bottom piece. Okay. This is harder than I remember. There are so many roots, and I don't want to break them. Okay. Just need to get to the bottom. Or maybe I don't need to cut it. Look at that. Awesome. With this, I need to get down here somehow. I should make these to where they're easier to come off. This is hard every time. Almost done. Just have to get that in there. Good Lord. Oh, I'm sorry. Come on, you're almost there. Okay. Thank you. All right, so this thing is off. And now this is gonna have to stay, unfortunately, because I don't want to mess it up. But I believe this would be considered the crown. So we just have to make sure that stays above. And let's get this ready. How deep is that? That's good. I wonder if I need to put like little stakes or anything on there. What do you think?
It's not gonna hold like that.
Let go of it?
Right. That's pretty.
Yeah. She wants to fall over the way she was doing inside.
Well, it's fine. They hang. Like they usually go over their pots like that.
Alright, so I just gotta put some water, a lot of water, so
Just spread it out.
yeah. Alright, we just gotta water it. And now she is inside her new home. And we will keep her in the shade. Thank you very much to my beautiful assistant. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at that. All right, here she is. I had to put her into the gym for right now because it is extremely windy today. It's about to start raining, and that wind was just making all the leaves look, they were just flying everywhere. So I'm trying just to not give her too much transplant shock with all that wind as well. And I don't want her in the rain, so I just gave her some water. So she'll be in here for the night. I'll bring her back out when it's shady. That way she can start getting used to being outside, but not in the direct sunlight yet. Before we wrap it up, I wanted to show you, these are all of the plants that we have inside in the grow lights and the little shelf in my office. So for the past 2 days, I've had them outside in the shade, though they're under the carport. And they are getting some indirect sunlight and a lot of wind. They are looking very, very good. I think some of them have even grown a little bit in just the last 2 days. So I'm very excited. They are getting used to the outside and will soon be ready to live outside. Look at how beautiful. I have little makeshift stands everywhere. You got to do what you got to do to get them ready. I'm about to bring them back inside. They've been outside for a few hours already, but they look wonderful. I know now not to put them into direct sunlight, so they're in the shade, but they're getting the rays of light anyway, so they look really good. Okay, we will wrap up the video here in my favorite place in my garden. You can see behind me, everything is looking beautiful, getting ready for summer. I'm so excited. Thank you all for spending time with me while we move or transplant the strawberries to outside into their new home. So we will catch you on the next video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.